Hello everyone, today's video content is analysis of the real questions of the AD0-E209 exam and explanation of relevant knowledge points. The following test questions are all from our question bank, and they were updated on Sept 23, 2024. Exam details. Intended audience. Exam objectives. Question 1. How does Adobe Mobile Services help increase app retention? The knowledge points of this question are targeted push notifications and location-based messaging. Adobe Mobile Services keeps users coming back by sending them personalized push notifications and messages based on their location. This keeps the app relevant to the user's life, making it more likely they'll return and stay engaged. So, the correct answer is sending users personalized notifications based on their actions or location keeps them engaged, making it more likely they'll keep using the app. Question 2. Select the correct statements about common integrations in Adobe Experience Cloud. The knowledge points of this question are Adobe Analytics, Adobe Target integration. Adobe Analytics collects user data, and Adobe Target uses it to personalize experiences and test different content to find what works best. Adobe Audience Manager, Analytics. Audience Manager helps segment users based on data from analytics so you can target the right people with the right content. Experience Cloud ID. ECID gives each user a unique ID across all Adobe tools, making it easier to track them across different devices and platforms for a smoother experience. So, the correct answers are these tools work together to help you understand user behavior and create personalized experiences based on that data. Audience Manager uses analytics data to create segments so you can target the right people. This ID tracks users across different Adobe tools, helping create a unified view of their interactions. Question 3. When implementing data capture as per the SDR, what is essential? The knowledge points of this question are alignment with KPIs and data structures. The SDR makes sure the data you collect is relevant to your business goals and set up in a way that makes sense. By following these guidelines, you can trust that the data supports your key metrics and is ready for analysis. So, the correct answer is it's all about making sure your code captures the data you need based on what's important for your business and how it's structured. Question 4. Which settings are necessary for setting up an Adobe Analytics report suite for accurate tracking? The knowledge points of this question are time zone, currency format. Setting the right time zone and currency ensures your reports show data accurately for your audience, especially if they're global. Visitor ID. This helps track users across sessions and devices so you get a clear picture of their activity over time. So the correct answers are the visitor ID helps track users over time, while the currency setting ensures financial data is accurate. This ensures your reports show the right data for the right region, especially if you're working internationally. Question 5. To ensure successful data object population according to the tech spec, the data objects must be with the SDR guidelines. The knowledge points of this question are alignment with SDR guidelines. To make sure your data is useful, it needs to follow SDR guidelines. This ensures everything is tracked properly, leading to consistent and reliable reports. So, the correct answer is the data objects need to match the SDR guidelines so everything runs smoothly and your data is reliable. If you have any questions about the AD0-E209 exam, please leave a message in the comment area or contact us directly. Thank you everyone for watching. See you next time.